Hey guys, Lisa here. Ever feel like your day needs a little oomph? Well, I just got my hands on something that's gonna rev your engines. We're talking high-speed thrills, mudslinging action, and enough horsepower to make your inner child scream with joy. But don't take my word for it. Let's throw it over to Doug, who's about to unleash this beast. Doug, take it away.
Thanks, Lisa. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're ditching the screens and getting back to some good old-fashioned fun in the dirt. I'm talking about the HAIBOXING 18859. This is a beast. We want to call it a beast. It's an 18 scale beginner RC truck. Trust me, it's not a toy, but it's not hobby grade either. It's pretty impressive for what it is. It's got a sleek design, rugged build. So far, the HAIBOXING 18859 has absolutely handled some serious punishment. We're talking all-terrain, dirt, gravel, grass, even a little bit of water. This truck should be able to handle it all. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle, so it should really go anywhere. I'm going to post up my maximum speed here so you really know what to expect. Comes with a classic 2.4 gigahertz remote. Hey, what are you waiting for? While we're watching this, don't forget to grab your HAIBOXING. There's a link down there below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe buttons. Comment if you want to. It really helps the channel out a lot. So we're doing some bashing, and I'm hoping it's looking good and entertaining. We got some jumps, some crashes, some digging in the dirt, all that kind of stuff. Let's go see what I thought of it right there at the test track. Okay, let's start right off with this thing is absolutely cool. Now let me explain to you why. First off, let's start with the fact that I am here with three other much more expensive, probably more sophisticated vehicles, but this is the only one that with the stock batteries and with the stock equipment, I played all day and had fun. The other two are broken or out of batteries. So this says a lot about this in terms of if this is your first or a beginner gift that you're getting somebody right out of the box, you could take this and have a ton of fun, ton of endurance, like a better overall package. Doesn't mean I don't have some complaints. Let me show you demonstrate for you. This is the more conventional style remote, which I like because look, I got to change the battery, sitting upright, not getting dirty. This is what I call the dumb remote that comes with it. This, or you got that option. No matter what it is, it's ending up in the dirt anytime you need to do something on this, and I just think long-term that's a bad plan. So let's talk about the truck itself. So this is clearly an entry-level model, right? So it is not blazing performance, but it is fast enough to have a good time. Really kind of traveled over everything. I found my smaller buggy got high centered a lot. This went over everything. The only thing I really couldn't do with it is like get it hauling in the dirt because the suspension isn't that much sophisticated and have enough control to jump it. But it hauled in the dirt. It never got stuck. It was like I said, again, bulletproof compared to the other more expensive RCs. And honestly, I just had a ton of fun using it. So I think really bang for the buck, starter RC, gift for somebody. You absolutely cannot go wrong with this. I will actually add that I was worried because the batteries are kind of a unique size and very small. They seem very small, but with the reduced power that it has, the basic level of power, I had no issues whatsoever. As I said, this is the only one still running. You can see the battery's flashing, it wants to get going again. And actually, let's see, let's get it going again. Oh, I can't get it go. Here it goes, come on. Oh, peace out. This thing was so fun is the bottom line. You cannot go wrong with this. There will be a link actually probably here on the screen. Worst case, it is in the description. Go down there, get yourself one, get it as a gift for someone. Oh, while you're down there, please remember to like, subscribe, follow, and put in the comments, what do you think? Is this a gift for yourself? Is this a gift for somebody else? Is this for a son or daughter, something like that? Put it in the comments. I'm curious what you guys are thinking about. We could have a whole conversation if you want. You curious what it came with? Let's go do that unboxing. This is that time. It's so hard for me. I'm jealous. You guys have seen this HAIBOXING 1/18 scale RC. You've seen it run. You've seen my review. Now you want to see what's in the unboxing? Well, I haven't seen what's in the box yet. I'm so excited to go play with it, but you've already seen that. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a cool color. I should know because I picked it out. I bought this. This is not sponsored. I bought this. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so we got some instructions. That's actually a pretty hefty instruction manual. Ooh, some cool decals. If you were in Canada, you'd call them decals. Decals. Oh, that thing is so cute. Check that thing out. All right, so here we have the extra battery and the charger. One vehicle. We'll wait for a moment to look at that. And a cool little remote. Let's see what we got. I will say it's a cool looking remote. Ooh, I'm gonna make a little complaint right off the bat. Okay, it is ridiculously cool looking, right? Nice and sporty looking. Slow speed and normal speed, as well as you can reverse the steering. Here is your trim for the throttle. So everything's on here. So my main problem with this, if you've seen this channel before, is I hate this form without the base on it, because that annoys me. Not so bad here, but when we're out playing in the dirt and riding around and I want to put this down to go flip over the car or something, it falls in the dirt all the time. So I object to this. Not a deal breaker, but I definitely like the ones with the base where it stands on its own much more. Here it is. This is the cool truck. It actually, as you can see, doesn't have any of those decals on it. So I guess I'm going to have to do some decal work on this. Let's try the drop test. So it has somewhat failed the drop test in the sense that this is a basic starter car, right? So it's not going to have this cool plush suspension. It has a basic friction suspension. Let's see what's inside here. I wonder what it did in the speed test. You know. So here it is. Let me show you. So we got the normal suspension here, like we said. It is a friction suspension, speed control, cool motor, one battery. The bumpers have lights in them, and you can see they're a little spring loaded for a little shock absorption. As it is a beginner RC, you can see there's no need for wheelie bars on it. Looks like it's all plastic, although the drivetrain, the housings look like they are plastic. What I will say that is pretty cool about this, seems to have a lot of suspension travel and ground clearance for something this size. I don't know what to tell you. You've seen it run. You've heard the review. Now you know what comes inside the box. I'll remind you one more time, there is going to be a link down here, somewhere about here if you want this. Otherwise, you could always find links in the description. And while you're down there, please drop us a comment, like, subscribe, follow, all those kind of things. Really important to the channel. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.